Hey everyone, want to create AI videos with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate amazing AI videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma AI website. Sign in to your account or create one if you're new. Next, click Create *** to start a new project. Depending on the available tools, choose *text to video **, image to video **, or another supported creation option. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to generate. Include the subject, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style for the best results. If you're creating a video from an image, upload your image and describe how you want it to animate. Next, adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, quality, and generation options if they're available. Click Generate * and wait while Luma AI creates your video. The processing time may vary depending on your project and server activity. Once your video is ready, preview the result and make changes to your prompt or settings if you'd like a different outcome. Finally, export your finished video and use it for social media, marketing, presentations, or personal creative projects. And that's how to create AI videos with Luma AI. With detailed prompts and a little creativity, you can produce impressive AI-generated videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.